Hello and welcome. Today I'm really excited to try something I just got. I have never worked with it before. I came across it I think on Instagram, and so of course I had to have it and I ordered it. And I'm going to use it today, but it is this new product by Colorberry called Jesin. So it is very similar, they say, to Jesmonite, except it is a 2-to-1 mix ratio as opposed to a 2.5-to-1, which can be a little more confusing. It does have a little longer working time. Here it's got a 20-minute working time. On Jesmonite you have 10 to 15 minutes, and it is a 30-minute unmolding, about the same as Jesmonite, and it says it has a full cure within 24 hours. So I just got their 3-kilogram kit. The only place I found this was on the Colorberry website, and so it had to be shipped from there. I think it's from Germany. And so the kit does come with this great little pamphlet that gives some ideas on different things that you can do with it. It tells you how, like if you want to marble it, do terrazzo, speckle, if you want to integrate resin in the Jesin, and then marble spray. I actually have some marble spray I haven't tried yet. Didn't think I would spray it on a mold, so that's interesting to know. I did actually purchase some of their colors. They didn't have many, most of them were sold out, but I was able to get a few. So I got this one called Green. I'll have to put it on my mixer. I think it's like a beigey color. I got a River Blue. This one here is called Nizza. Vivid, VIF, it's like a light purple gray. Mystery, looks like it's a bluish color. The Cosmic, another blue. Autumn, which is like a yellow. Lip, which is like a pink. And Jet, which is black. So those are the colors that I purchased. And I'm going to try it in this mold I have here, this mold. So this mold is to make a light, and there's a light strip that goes behind this once you demold it, but we'll get to all of that. But that's what I would like to use this in, at least attempt to, because typically I would put Jesmonite in here or cement. So I want to see what it will do with this Jesin. And I'm just going to pick a color and probably marble in this regard, which is very similar to how you would marble Jesmonite. It just says to take a little bit of it, a little bit of the Jesin, put it in a separate cup, add your pigment, and then slightly mix that into your big tub. So I'll just do that. Just need to think about what color out of all of these I really want. I think I'm just going to make it really simple and just go with black. And I might add some of this Vivid. We'll see once I get in there. Now I haven't opened this yet, so I'm going to open it now and see what's inside. It's a really cool tub it comes in. Alright, so you have your liquid. And you have your powder. And that's it. It comes in this cool tub. I'm presuming they give you the tub to pour your powder into. That would be my guess. This isn't the best thing to store it in, but I can understand why they wouldn't ship it in that tub.